You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this long phrase. This is the name of a region and the name of a wine appellation. If you want to learn more about wine names, you found the right channel. We've got them all here at the end of the video. So, Italian pronunciation of the first part, Trentino. So that's the area around Trento town or city. Alto Adige. Alto Adige means the high valley of the Adige River, which is one of the longest river in Italy. So, Trentino Alto Adige. Stress on the first syllable of Adige. Okay, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say Trentino Alto Adige. Trentino Alto Adige. Now the second part is the same area, but I believe that's more the German version of the name, and it's pronounced Südtirol. Südtirol in German, or Südtirol. Südtirol in Italian, sorry. Südtirol. I always struggle a bit with this one. Südtirol. So, Trentino Alto Adige Südtirol, or in English, Trentino Alto Adige Südtirol. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.